My friends, thanks for clicking on this video. It's Sean Vigue with SeanVigueFitness.com. This is the latest in our Yoga for Men series. This is a power video, namely power yoga. Aggressive flow, more athletic, very little breaks, so modify as needed. Gonna work up a sweat and gotta stay focused. All right, if you're with me today, please check in below. This is fun. We got about 10 minutes to create a whole world of fitness here on this mat. No weights or machines. I'm gonna do a very intricate shirt tuck here. Oh, that's amazing. All right, let's start in downward facing dog. We're gonna build in some flows. You can repeat this workout as much as you wish. Spread the fingers wide, tuck the chin. This is definitely a little more advanced, so start with the other ones in this series first. Let's walk the legs a few times. Get some flow, blood flow in the body. Breathing in the nose and out the nose. Tuck the chin. Get a nice long line down our back, down the backs of our legs. 4 more steps. 1, 2, I got an adjustment. How about that? 3 and 4. Now, vinyasa power flow. Let's put it together, the basis of power yoga. Inhale forward to plank position, elbows in, press forward through the toes, shoulders in front of the wrists. Lower down, elbows squeezing into the sides. We're gonna use our entire body for this, power and stamina. Slide the feet back, roll the shoulders and lift into Cobra. Elbows squeezing into the ribs and opening your chest. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, press up to plank. Back to down dog. Let's repeat that. Inhale, forward. Smooth out the movements. All the way forward. Down. Shoulders back. Cobra. Exhale, lower. Take it back to down dog. Now inhale, lift the left leg up. 3-legged dog. Stretch the spine. Exhale, left foot forward. Lunge position. Stagger the feet. Bend that front knee. Hips are square. Arms up. And stretch that back leg. This is called Crescent Lunge. Hinge forward, long stretch in the spine. Now vinyasa flow. Step back to plank, forward, down. As I said, it doesn't stop. You can also come up into upward facing dog, lengthening the arms. I just said, and now exhale from either one. Back to down dog. Inhale, right leg comes up. Exhale, right foot forward, lunge. We balance out the sides. Turn it into a nice flow. It's very effortless. It's very smooth. Practice it. Hinge forward, hands down, vinyasa flow. If you like, you can kick the leg up. So you kick it up, come forward, down, and then up dog or Cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Let's do that lunge again on each side. Make it smooth. Make it something you want to share with people. Show and tell. Lunge, arms up. Itch that one spot under your eye. Your eyes are focused on one position. Hinge forward, pressing the right heel down. Vinyasa, both feet back, or kick the leg up. Constant body engagement. Inhale, right leg up. Right foot forward. Oh. Yeah, if you want power yoga, I'm your guy. Do it a lot. Teach it and film it all the time. Hinge, vinyasa flow. Always the same speed all the way through. Exhale, down dog. Take 2 breaths here. Catch your breath. If you're cursing me, I apologize, but hopefully you're so out of breath, you're just going, Sean, you... But we do it together, my friend. That's what's important. Inhale, left leg up. Let's keep flowing. We're going to a warrior position. Warrior, so pivot this back foot. Kind of like Power Yoga Cliff Notes, Power Yoga 101. Arms out to warrior 2. This knee is bent, the hip is open. We're sinking the heels into the mat. Now, reverse warrior. Hand here. Slide it down the leg as you reach the left arm up. Stretching up and back. How's that feel? Does it feel good? All right, now side angle pose. Come back to 2. Take this forearm, set it down, and reach this arm. Good. Warriors, we're sinking into the legs. Strong leg positioning. Now hands down, let's go back to down dog. Inhale, right leg up, and warrior on the other side. Here we go. Sink it down, arms out. Lots of breath, in the nose, out the nose. Breathing, inhale, lift. Reverse without disturbing the legs. Reach the arm up and back. Now out and reach, side angle. Good. Right heel under the right knee. Turn it down, step back to down dog. Let's do that once more on each side. A little more speed. So we come up, good, connected, always in control. Because if you aren't, who's gonna do it? Flick the water off, there we go. Side angle pose, long stretch down the side, hands down. Down dog, right leg up. Up and back. And then side angle. Good, strong limbs. Let's take a vinyasa flow. Both legs back or kick the leg up. Squeeze the glutes right here. Pull the shoulders back and down. Exhale, downward facing dog. Little change up here. I want you to walk or jump your feet forward. Knees are bent. Arms up, chair pose. 3 breaths. Inhale, lift the arms. Exhale, sink down and back. The weight shifts into your heels. Reach the arms back, lace the fingers and dive down. Bend the knees. This is mudra, forward fold. Feel free to bend the knees as much as possible. Modify by crossing the arms right here. 3 breaths. Drawing the arms back, opening the chest. Exhale, drop the arms down. Let's step back to plank position. Vinyasa flow, forward, down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down dog. Building the power, building the stamina. Now walk or jump the feet. Forward again, chair, 3 breaths. Wiggle those toes. Ha-ha. Pull the cap down. All right, reach back. Lace the fingers once again. This will feel a little bit looser. I'm not saying a lot, but a little trickle of looseness. 2 more breaths. Bend those knees. Whew. Drop the arms. Take it back. Plank. Vinyasa. Forward. We're going to go down. Keep it here. Superman. Here we are. Arms out. And lift. 5 breaths. Huge sculptor for your back. The weight is on my stomach. In the nose and out the nose, there's never a break. It's full body conditioning every second, never wasting a moment. We can pack so much in such a short amount of time. All right, up dog or cobra. Oh, there we go. Just stop humping the laser. There we go. Exhale, down dog. Let's finish off. Left foot forward. This is triangle pose. As much as we can get to, without trying to rush it. Turn that foot in. We're going to reach. Hand to the leg or back of the hand, triangle pose. Let's go through the full sequence here. We're going to exhale. Extend that top arm. And then bring this hand down to the floor, the foot or the leg. Left arm reaches up. Okay, hand down, step back, down dog. Other side, right foot, triangle. Smooth. Extend. Revolving, line up the heels, there we go. Always making all little corrections in real time. Let's do it one more time each side, a little faster. Left foot forward, smooth, triangle, reach, and extend all the way down. Revolving. Step back to down dog, right leg up. Other side. Fix your eyes on a point. Melting into it. Feel the body getting more agile, more mobile. And step back to plank, vinyasa flow. Let's finish it off. Our Yoga for Men power workout. Back to the original position, down dog. And hold it for 5 breaths right here, my friends. Excellent work. When you're done with this, never forget to check in below. Any questions, anything you got. 2 more breaths. And standing position. Well done. Hey, it's Sean again. If you like this video, I have a free gift for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from my vault. All you have to do is click the first link in the description below or in the pinned comments, and that will take you to a page where you enter your email address, and I will send you that free video right away. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscribe button, smashing the like button, and check in below with any feedback, questions, or if you have any specific workout requests for me, put those in the comment section below. That is the best place to reach me.
Fine chariot, but where's your horses?